Welcome to Kim's Creations. I have, for the first time, a round canvas, and I have my canvas up on a Lazy Susan, and I have my little itty bitty push pins in on the bottom here. I have taped off the back, as you can see there. And in addition, I have made certain that my canvas is level. All right, I am going to get back to you in just 1 second. Time to get down to business. So, I have been seeing lately, I first saw Fiona Art do this particular pour, and then I saw last weekend Massey Art Studio, Jeremy and Lee do this pour, and apparently this all started with Fazia. So I am going to link Fazia up top for you guys, and let's get down to business. So what am I doing? I am using exactly their recipe, which I will link below as well, but it's basically taking my glue and water mix, which I originally got from, oh my gosh, Pouring Your Heart Out, Julie, 60-40 mix of glue to water. So you take this mixture and you mix it half and half with Floetrol, and that becomes your pouring medium. So then you take that mixture and you mix it 2 parts pouring medium, 1 part paint. And I have 5 colors. I have my white, which I will use to put a puddle down and put in between my colors. I have a light pink, which is Amsterdam Persian Rose. I've also chosen Amsterdam Red Purple. And then I'm going to do Amsterdam Yellowish Green, followed by Amsterdam's Phthalo Green. So I am gonna put them in this order, kind of a light, dark, and I'm going to separate the pink colors from the green colors by putting the white in between, which you can just barely see off the camera, apparently. That is the order I'm gonna put them in. I am just checking my camera now. Yes, okay, you can see that now. Let's try this one more time. As you can see from the suddenly messy pea pad, this is my second attempt. My first one really didn't work out so well, so hopefully practice will make this a little better. That's a good enough circle. All right, so what I learned from the last time was make my little puddles little. All right, let's try this one more time. Little puddle, don't move the tip around. Okay? Don't use so much white. And now we'll fast forward once I'm through one rotation here. Okay, fast forwarding now. I am going to torch. As you can see, probably during my pouring of all this, I had a couple of white drops that went in on the circle, one there, one there. Hopefully they don't affect the painting too much. We will see. All right, let me just bring this center kind of back to the center, I hope. All right, got my stick. And let's do this. Oop, I need my, all right, here we go. Got my towel. Just starting off cutting this into quarters. And wrecking all the rings. And then we just go into ever smaller cuts, dividing everything in half. Kind of like slicing a pizza. The pizza pie. Just don't want my middle to get too muddy. I noticed that happened last time and I don't know what to do to prevent that. All right. I'm also drawing my stick through the paint a lot more slowly this time. And I think that's making a difference on the patterning in the middle of this flower, the center there. Now the question is, do I go again? Yeah, let's do it. I think if I just do it slowly, it'll hopefully work out. So far, so good. I think I'm wiping more paint on my hand than I am on paper towel. Let's grab a new one. All right, where were we? It's so pretty just how it is. last one. Okay, I did a little swirl in the middle there, because as this stretches out, that middle's going to become pretty important. Look at my hands. Actually not so bad as doing a whole tilt thing. All right, you know what comes next? A little torching and a little spinning. I don't think I'm going to spin this quite as enthusiastically as I did that first one, but perhaps a little more enthusiastically than that. Coming out to the edge. All right, we are over in a couple of sections. I am liking this one so much better. Look at that. It's over just in little bits that need a little more help. All right. Maybe I should move the weight of the paint a little bit. Just have a little bit more, just a little more. That is quite the fan there. I'm gonna help the paint here. Just gonna dampen the canvas with some of the paint that's come off the sides. And that'll give the paint something to more easily flow over. And then we'll be giving it one more spin. So I'm just going around and making sure all the edges are covered. Obviously the side that went over first is mostly covered. There's just a few little holes here and there. So wetting the canvas is going to pull more of the paint off the top and over the sides, which is why for most other pours you would always scrape the edges. So, but I'm basically there. I don't even know that I need to spin it again. Just by doing that, the paint rolled over and went over the edges. Just going to make sure that that pattern has gone down. Oh, would you look at that? Can't have that. I think I'm good. I think I am good. I am loving what I am seeing here. I just need to torch this one last time, and then I'm going to bring you guys in. This certainly is something that does take a little bit of patience and practice. Definitely smaller little circles on there is better. I did find that I was counting. So with the white, I put down 4 drops. 1, 2, 3, 4. Grab the next color, and then I kind of squeezed the bottle for 4 seconds. And that's kind of how I got myself into a slightly more even kind of flow with the paints. So maybe that'll help you guys. Obviously, as I got down to the center, I went down to 2 drops of white and 3, and then counts of 3 on the colored paints. And then I went down to 1 of the white, 1 drop, and 2, and then 1 drop on the very end to get that circle. All right, let's bring you in for the close-up. Just gonna unscrew that. Okay. You are gonna have some ring lights in here. Let me move around. That's the one thing about having a round canvas. You can hang this any old which way. There we are. So I'm really liking this. And I think it looks really good on a round canvas. And I don't mind that it's not completely even. That does mess with my OCD, but I'm actually really happy with the results here. I will definitely give this another go and maybe use some different colors, as I do have quite a bit of the pouring medium left to use. So always fun to try new things. So if you like what you've seen, please consider liking, hitting that thumbs up button, subscribing, and next time I open, here we are again with the opening. The next time I upload a video, you'll be notified. Thank you as always for sticking around and watching my creations. Until the next time, have a wonderful day. Bye for now.